Ferrari F250 Black Yacht 2026 is not just a car, it's a statement, an experience, and a symphony of engineering artistry that pushes the very limits of design, performance, and imagination. Born from the legendary bloodline of Ferrari yet forged in a vision that feels like it came from another planet, the Black Yacht arrives cloaked in mystique, an all-black silhouette that absorbs light and attention in equal measure. This isn't just matter gloss, this is deep liquid shadow. It flows like oil under moonlight, every angle carved with a purpose, every surface engineered to seduce. It's not just a car, it's a piece of high-speed sculpture. The front nose pierces the air like a predator's beak, low, wide and menacing with sharp carbon fiber accents that whisper aerodynamics. The headlights are razor-thin slashes of LED fury that seem to glare with sentient intelligence. Ferrari's prancing horse doesn't just rest on the hood, it prowls, a beast held in check only by the discipline of race-born precision. Beneath that sculpted hood lies a hybrid V8 powertrain that roars with 950 horsepower, a seamless fusion of combustion and electrified vengeance. 0 to 60 in 2.3 seconds, top speed a blistering 230 miles per hour. This isn't a car you drive, this is a car you survive and somehow beg to do it again. The Black Yacht isn't loud in the traditional sense, it's deep, guttural, a controlled thunder that rumbles like distant war drums through the custom quad exhaust ports. The note changes with your mood, it knows when to whisper and when to scream. Step inside and the cockpit wraps around you like a fighter jet. Carbon fiber, leather and aluminum form a cabin so focused it feels more like a command center than a luxury interior, yet there's beauty in the brutality. Ferrari's signature red stitching contrasts the black interior like veins of fire. The steering wheel is squared off, covered in Alcantara with haptic feedback buttons that respond to the lightest touch. A fully digital curved display arcs in front of you, alive with telemetry, tire temps, lap times, torque split. It's everything you need and nothing you don't. The seats are deep bucket carbon shells molded to your body, they hold you not just in comfort but in intent. This car doesn't want you relaxed, it wants you engaged. The name Black Yacht might sound like a contradiction, but it's a metaphor for dominance on land that mirrors elegance on sea. The flowing lines hint at hydrodynamic design, the way the panels merge without seams, the way light dances off its silhouette in motion. It almost seems to sail across asphalt, and Ferrari knows this isn't for everyone, this is for the few who understand power doesn't need to shout, it just needs to arrive. The 2026 F250 is a limited production masterpiece, only 499 will exist, each one custom configured by its owner, from trim to stitching to drive modes. From the moment the engine ignites to the second it breathes its last, this car is yours and yours alone. It's as much a fingerprint as it is a machine, and speaking of machines, the onboard AI is unlike anything Ferrari has ever done. Predictive dynamics that learn your driving style, active aero that adjusts at millisecond intervals to optimize downforce and drag, GPS-based suspension tuning that adjusts based on where you are in the world. It's almost psychic. The AI doesn't replace the driver, it partners with them, enhancing intuition, sharpening reflexes, becoming the co-pilot you never knew you needed. The wheels are 21-inch forged alloys designed in-house with an asymmetrical pattern that cuts weight and increases brake cooling, wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires developed specifically for this car. They cling to the road like claws. Braking is courtesy of carbon ceramic rotors the size of dinner plates clamped by 6-piston calipers. The stopping power is instantaneous, violent yet controlled like every other system on this beast. It's all tuned to perfection. Night driving in the Black Yacht is its own dimension. The black paint becomes liquid metal under streetlights. The LED tail strip glows like a blade as it carves through the dark. It's a presence, it doesn't pass you, it possesses the space around you and disappears. The Ferrari F250 Black Yacht is the rarest kind of machine, the kind that makes time stop, the kind that makes strangers pull out phones and whisper, the kind that doesn't chase trends but creates legends. This isn't about practicality, it's not about savings, it's not about what makes sense, it's about desire, raw, unfiltered automotive lust distilled into carbon and fire and velocity. The world doesn't need the Black Yacht, but the world is a more beautiful place because it exists. Ferrari didn't have to make this car, but they did, and in doing so they reminded us that dreams on wheels still exist, still breathe, still roar. This is more than a car, this is the dark crown jewel of Maranello's future. The Ferrari F250 Black Yacht 2026 is where elegance meets insanity, where science meets soul, and where the road will never look the same again.